Our 30-foot dome has a floor area of 700 square feet or 65 square meters. A 15-foot ceiling height allows this dome to accommodate a loft to extend your square footage. With our heavy-duty steel tubing, this dome weighs approximately 1,450 pounds. On average, it can be assembled in 6 to 14 hours with a crew of 3 to 4 people. We can achieve virtually any snow and wind load requirements using a heavier tubing size. Included with your 30-foot dome package is the frame, anchoring hardware, and cover. Each cover comes with 8 removable round windows, 2 ventilation roll-ups with zippers, a panoramic bay window, and your choice of door opening. The covers are made from heavy-duty architectural fabric and can last up to 20 years. Custom features such as skylights, extra doors, windows, and wood stove setup are available. Insulative liners and solar fans are optional. It's a perfect choice for add-on living accommodations, Airbnb rentals, and glamping resorts. In Vastu architecture, this dome enhances vitality and harmony as well as fulfillment and connection. We offer deck plans for both permanent installations and nomadic lifestyles, and our team is always here to help if you have any questions.